Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Access tutorial 14. In this video, I'll talk about join in Access. So what is join in Access? In Microsoft Access, the join operation is used to combine data from two or more tables based on a common field, the field which is a primary key. So there are several types of join: inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Right? So what is inner join? Inner join is basically it returns rows when there is a match in both the tables on a common field like primary key. A left outer join returns all the records from one table, typically left table, and matching records from the right table. And right outer join is vice versa, all the records from right table and matching records from left table. And those values are not found in left table will be indicated type. Full outer join returns all the record when there is a match in either the left or right table. So I'll take you through each one of them practically. So let's get into the practical stuff then. Here I have example table and you can see country here. But in this table there is no UN country code for each country. So I've kept UN country code in this table as per country. Right? So I wanna have country name from this table and country UN code from this table. And there will be a join between country name of this table and country name of this table. Right? So let me create a query then. I'll drag this table and we'll drag this table as well. I'll expand it a bit. First, I'll apply a join between country column of example and country name of country table. At the very first, I'll apply inner join. It will retrieve data from both the tables on the basis of match, complete match. I'll take full name of example table, job title, and then country from example table and country code from country table. And before I run, I'll take you through SQL view as well. So you can see full name, job title, and country is taken from example table, and UN code is taken from country table on the basis of country name from example table and country name from country. Okay. If I run this query, so you'll get country code as per country name. Right? Now this is the inner join. If I apply left outer join, the second one, all the records from first table and matching records from second table. Right? If I apply this, so you'll get same record because I haven't taken off any sort of rows here. If I delete, say for example, if I misspell China name here and save it and run this query now again, so there will be a mismatch. For China it will show blank, null. But in case of inner join, if I apply inner join again, so only matching record will be shown. So for China, no record will be shown here. So China is not appearing here because that is the exact match. If I change it to left outer join, so again China as a country will be shown, but China's code will not be shown because there is a mismatch in spelling. Okay. So far so good. If I apply right outer join, so what will happen? Let's see. You can see India, Brazil, China, and now you can't see China here. But if I flip the table from left to right, so let's see, left to right, and let's break the join and apply the join once again. Country name and country and the last one. Let's see. You can see China again. but there is no join code because I flipped the table. Okay, so hopefully you must have understood the concept of join. So I'll keep this video till this point. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.